Welcome to ServiceNow Ninja, the channel where we help you master all things ServiceNow. Are you new to the world of ServiceNow and want to know what it is all about? Or perhaps you've heard of ServiceNow before, but you're not quite sure how it works and what can it do for you and your organization? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to take you on a comprehensive journey to help you understand what ServiceNow is, how it works, and the key features and benefits that make it a game changer for organizations of all sizes and industries. Whether you're an IT professional, a business manager, or someone who simply wants to learn more about ServiceNow, this tutorial is for you. So let's start with the basics. ServiceNow is a powerful cloud-based platform designed to simplify business operations and enhance customer experiences. It offers a comprehensive suite of IT service management tools, as well as other modules for enterprise service management, which can be used to manage workflows across all areas of your organizations, from HR and finance to marketing and customer service. With ServiceNow, you can streamline processes, automate routine tasks, and improve collaboration across teams. Its powerful automation capabilities allow you to automate even the most complex workflows from incident management and change management to asset management and project management. And with its powerful reporting and analytics capabilities, you can monitor key performance indicators and make data-driven decisions. ServiceNow is built on three-tier architecture, making it highly secure, reliable, and scalable. And because it's cloud-based platform, you can access it from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. In summary, ServiceNow helps you to streamline workflows, automate routine tasks, improve collaboration, and make data-driven decisions, all while being highly secure and accessible from anywhere. To understand how ServiceNow works, it is helpful to have a basic understanding of its architecture. ServiceNow is built on three-tier architecture consisting of the client, server, and database layers. The client layer is where user interacts with ServiceNow platform. This can be through a web browser, mobile app, or other client applications. The server layer is where ServiceNow application runs. It is responsible for processing user requests and executing business logic. The server layer is made up of several components, including the application server and mid server. The database layer is where all data related to ServiceNow platform is stored. ServiceNow uses a relational database management system to manage data, specifically MySQL. The database layer is responsible for data storage, retrieval, and management. Now that we've covered the architecture of ServiceNow, let's talk about some of its key features and benefits. And later I will show you one practical example on how ITSM ticket can be raised. One of the main benefits of ServiceNow is its ability to automate tasks. ServiceNow can automate routine tasks like data entry, approvals, and notifications. For example, a human resources department can use ServiceNow to automate onboarding tasks such as sending welcome emails, assigning tasks, and scheduling meetings. Another benefit of ServiceNow is that it provides centralized platform for teams to work together. This makes it easier to share information, assign tasks, and track progress. ServiceNow also offers powerful collaboration features like chat and messaging. For instance, a marketing team can use ServiceNow to collaborate on a campaign, assign tasks, and share feedback in real time. ServiceNow also improves customer experiences by providing faster and more efficient service. ServiceNow can help organizations respond to customer requests quickly and accurately. This helps to build trust and loyalty among customers. For example, a service desk team can use ServiceNow to handle customer inquiries, manage incidents, and track service requests. Now that we have looked at the key features and benefits, let's explore some of popular products offered by ServiceNow, including IT service management, IT operation management, and HR service delivery, and see how they are being used by various organizations to drive business outcomes. With ServiceNow ITSM, organizations can streamline their IT service delivery and management processes. ServiceNow ITSM offers powerful tools for incident management, problem management, change management, and service catalog management. For example, a retail company uses ServiceNow ITSM to manage customer service requests, track inventory, and ensure timely deliveries of product. ServiceNow ITOM enables organizations to gain real-time visibility into their IT system and optimize IT operations. ServiceNow ITOM provides tools for network and infrastructure management, event management, and service mapping. For example, a telecom company can use ServiceNow Item to monitor network performance, manage service outages, and ensure service availability. On the other hand, ServiceNow HRSD is a powerful feature that helps organizations streamline their HR service delivery processes. ServiceNow HRSD provides tools for case and knowledge management, employee onboarding, and performance management. For example, a healthcare organization can use ServiceNow HRSD to manage employee benefits, track performance evaluations, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Now that you understand what ServiceNow is and how it works, you may be interested in getting started with your own ServiceNow instance. Fortunately, ServiceNow offers a free personal developer instance that you can use to explore the platform. To obtain a personal developer instance, simply go to developer.servicenow.com and sign up for an account. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to access your own ServiceNow instance and start exploring the platform. Now that you know how to get your own personal developer instance, let's walk through a quick demo of how to create an incident record in ServiceNow with the software category and automatically assigned to the software assignment group. First, let's go to our personal developer instance and navigate to the incident form. We will select the color field as enable tutor, then select the category field and choose software. Then we'll select the impact and the urgency fields, which will automatically set the priority fields for us. Next, we'll fill out the rest of the required fields and submit the form. After submission, we'll see that the incident has been automatically assigned to the software assignment group, streamlining the workflow and ensuring that the issue is addressed by the appropriate team. In addition, a new notification will be sent to the resolver that the ticket has been assigned to them. This is just one example of how ServiceNow can automate processes and improve efficiency in IT service management. And the best part? This functionality is out of the box, meaning you don't need to configure anything on your instance to take advantage of it. So that's a comprehensive tutorial for beginners on what ServiceNow is and how it works. We've covered ServiceNow architecture, key features and benefits, and we've shown you how to obtain a personal developer instance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.